Namaskar and Jai Hind. So previously I have created some video in Hindi. So some of my friends are requested to that you have to create in English. To be honest, I'm not good in English as you know. And मुझे वो अच्छा भी नहीं लगता. But yes, for you have to stay in the industry, then you have to learn something in English. But yes, I would like to Hindi. It's my preferred. बट मैं बंगाली हूँ बट मुझे बांग्ला अच्छा लगता है दिस इज़ नॉर्मल बट मुझे हिंदी से कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं मुझे किसी भाषा में से ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट वही है टू सस्टेन इन द इंडस्ट्री यू हैव टू लर्न इंग्लिश अदरवाइज सो कॉल्ड सोसाइटी आपको जीने नहीं देगा अरे आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती शेम सॉम पप्पी शेम एनीवे डिफरेंट टॉपिक सो मैं आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस तो कभी कभी बीच में हिंदी बंगाली भी आ सकती है सॉरी फॉर दैट तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दिस इन जी स्केलर most of the part I am just going to cover first in ZIA, then I'll go for ZPA. So what is proxy? As a Zscaler in cloud-based proxy, so you need to understand proxy solution. To be honest, I'm going to create all the topic that I know. So what is proxy? Basically, proxies you have done couple of time in your school life. Your friend is not in school, then you have done the present. Yes, sir. Yes, madam. That is your proxy. On in behalf of someone, if this is your friend, okay, he is not present at school. Now, what you have done? This is your teacher with HOD. I'm not a good writer or painter, something like that. So when he is just asking, you are just do yes, sir, yes, ma'am. Then he just click yes, present, present, present. So that is your proxy. Means if someone is doing on behalf of you. In network field, what you need? Why you need a proxy? That is the first question. आपको proxy चाहिए क्यों है? Correct ना? So in this scenario, one more thing, I haven't done anything from my opinion. What I have learned that I'm going to share, and this document I have prepared. This is totally from Google. I have just, if you just go and type what is proxy, you can get so many answer over there. So you have to just copy and paste. So many you are asking for that, please share me the documents. So I'm just requesting everyone, dears, no need to ask for document to anyone. You have to just type in Google. 100 pages going to open for what is proxy. So many answer over there. So you have to just go and learn. But yeah, I'm just going to explain. In the industry, what happened now? Proxy I've already told you. So here is the just a overview. What they are just a network proxy server, such an intermediate system that between your device and internet is doing something. Means I'm just giving you an example. Now I do have a whiteboard, that is good. Give me a minute. See, I'm just give you the overview that where I'm just taking this example. This is my Zscaler dashboard. I'll just go for there, but yeah, briefer. But I'm just give you overview in proxy, correct? In your environment, if you just go and check, this is your internet, here is your router. I'm just giving an example router. Here is your L3 switch, and then it is your L2 switch, and then here 1 2 3 4 user has been connected to reach over the internet. What proxies? The normal process is you have to just forward the traffic to L2, L2 to L3, and router routing this, and you go to internet google.com. Your google.com is open on your browser, in your system browser, correct? This is the normal process for the traffic flow. Now what proxy does? Option that application or a system that help you to do the same thing, correct? Like the proxy is connected over here. I'm just give you example. A proxy server system is IPs. I'm just go 192.168.2.3. Okay, your IP is 10.10.0.2. Then something is configured on your browser. Then I'll give you the context type of proxy. But yeah, what happened? A simple way. Here you are just open your browser, you type google.com, then the traffic is go via here, this system. The communication is come like this. Okay, this way communication. Now this device will initiate a traffic to your destination device. Then two-way communication, a simple a middleman, a broker, you are searching for a flat, then what you are going to do, you are asking some brokers, correct? Then you reach to the brokers, broker reach to the owners, then owner ask 10,000, broker you told you 12,000, correct? And you say 12,000 is a little bit high, then 11,500, 11,500 or something like that. Told, he goes to the broker, okay, I will give you 10,000. Okay, then when the final you get to know that you have lost 1,500. Okay, and extra that you have to pay a charge that is 1 month or 2 month rent to him, and he also give the same thing. So this is the broker has been done. So he is your proxy. Okay, so what in the scenario of industry, then to secure, then here you are not going to do the same thing, the securities come here. You need not go to directly to the internet. In middle someone is there who will going to help you to go to the internet. That is your forward proxy. You are forwarding, na, the traffic is forwarding towards internet. That is your forwarding proxy. Getting my point? Then the first type is from your home to your internet. If a proxy is configured, that is your forward proxy. The same thing if you're the, if I'm just talking about net, correct? Then the same thing, your traffic is going over here, router, if public IP cannot be routable, so it is netted your traffic. Same thing, your private IP going to this one, and then the proxy will go with your public IP to the internet and come back with the outcome, and then he's give it to you. Like same, the broker will do the same thing. Now this is the one scenario where your traffic is going forward. Once your internal traffic is going to, that is your forward traffic. If it's come to our reverse, then means you have a internal hosted. I'm just a little bit sorry here, I'm just give you the 1 minute. Now the same scenario, here is your cloud, here is your firewall router. I'm just giving an example of it. Here is your LAN, here is your DMZ. Here you have kept a server with some application abc.com, xyz.com. Then this is your internals applications. Now your internal applications can be accessed from internet, INTERNET. Internet means anyone can access from your, means you are opening a web application or web application, then everyone can be accessed. That is your intention, then everyone can reach. So this is the situation where you have to go and upload this to a public. Then what happened, someone reached to your, here you have put a public IP address 192.168 something like that in your local server, in your local system, but globally you have to just put the abcd.com. So somewhere from the internet, anywhere from the internet can try to access this URL. Then what happened, it traffics come to the proxy server. Okay, F5, I think everyone heard about F5, the load balancer. Then the traffic is come to here, correct? And then the F5 or the reverse proxy will be redirect to your traffic to your local traffic. Then there is two-way communication. You the external will connect to the external facing interface or IP device, whatever it is, and this device, the proxy device, this proxy device, oh sorry, it did this not work. This proxy device will create a communication with the local system. So same here. So what happened from external to internal? This call your reverse proxy. Okay. Then forward will land to internet, reverse from internet to your internal, internet to internal, internal. This is your internal server, then your reverse proxy. Getting my point? So F5 doing a full proxy architecture, so F5 can help you on this. But in ZIA, if I am just talking about ZIA, which type of traffic forwarding it is? It is for the question to you. Which type ZIA is doing? Okay, now moving to the next. Sorry. Mm, mm, mm. Now, if I'm just, oh, sorry. So see, this is your array. So what is proxy? Now, if you're just connecting to type of proxy, कितना type है proxy का? So if you, I'm just copy paste from the Google. I have already told you. So there is so many types of forward proxy. I have already told you. We have covered forward proxy, covered reverse proxy. If you just go, act to be up user client setting between them, internet to filtering traffic and enhance security. Forward proxy. घर से बाहर जा रहा है. Reverse proxy. Site to front website to the manage incoming traffic. Providing load balancing, caching and security. Okay, जो आपका बाहर से घर में आ रहा है. If someone is someone is coming to your doorsteps and you ask him to come to the home. So this is the scenario. Now I'm coming to the there is transparent proxy, advanced proxy, high end. There is so many options over there. I'm not going to give on deeper, but if you want to, you can just go and read. Most of the scenario, I'm just try to cover it. Okay. Now there's two options. One is explicit and one is implicit. If you're just going to make a configuration, see, an explicit proxy, you can manual client-side configuration. IP and port is visible to the user. What is means? 1 minute. Go over here. Settings. Search for PROXY. See, if I'm open, automatic detect settings. Now, if it is an automatic, then what type of proxy it is? Question to you. I'm going to the document. Okay, explicit means you have to manually enter the IP address and port number 192.168.80 or 8080, something like that. When a implicit or transparent proxy is invisible, means like that what right now I am configured in my browser Edge, that is auto configured. I haven't configured anything, that is automatically settings, automatic settings. If I am just putting off, then I have to put like 192.168, something like that. Script address, oh sorry, 1.10 colon, oh sorry, my bad, it is not colon, 8080, like that. You have to put, this is your implicit. Okay, if you are not doing this, then it is on, like this is your explicit, means if user can able to see his browser what the proxy is then configured, that is your implicit. And if user is unable to yes, if user is unable to see, that is your transparent. Okay, that is your transparent proxy. See, implicit is your transparent, means user cannot able to see the proxy configuration, it is doing in backend. Means like I'm just give you an example, like I'm just taking the same example of the broker scenario. If I'm just going to purchase or take a rent of a flat, then what you have to, same thing, you have to go to a buyer, but you are searching for a buyer, but you are unable to find the buyer, correct? Then what you have to do, you have to go to a broker. Broker will reach to the seller. You are buyer, seller, broker. Then you have to go this, you know this man, this is your explicit, once you know him, this is a broker, you know this is the broker. Now what happened in this scenario? You think this is the seller, but you don't know who's you are looking someone, you are the buyer, you know this is the seller, but in back end someone is other who is just going to sell this one. Then you say, reach out to him, you give the payment, everything is doing via him, but someone is in middle, you don't know who is taking in your money. You think you reach out to him directly, but in middle someone is there and he is taking your 5,000 10,000 as a broker charge. That is the your implicit or transparent proxy. Okay. uh, hmm. So for today I'm just doing for implicit explicit proxy. Next video, see there is some thing, configure client browser application, manually configure specify IP address and port, visible client, already told you. Use cases, ideal enterprise environment require ideal control, authentication and log into the web traffic, browser based send HTTP method. Implicit no configuration required for the client side. Okay, the proxy is visible to the client, the client believes that connection directly to the internet. Okay, invisible to the client believes that, I have already told you, client no, अरे भाई कोई नहीं है, I am just directly going to buy this one, but in middle someone is there and is taking your hardcore money. Okay, use case ideal similar transparent deployment when you cannot configure every endpoint, traffic flow network environment, firewall switch, redirect to web traffic. Some key benefits over there, client configuration proxy port, no client configuration required, user award unaward method, application send directly to the this is, so deployment method manual or via pack file, and transparency inline. Okay, so for today I'm just going to close this one. In next video I'm just going to start the Zscaler architecture. Now we have understand what is proxy and type of proxies. Now I'm just going to go to the next step, what is Zscaler and how it does work. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.